Hi, this is Brett with Montell Construction. Thanks for joining us on this week's episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. Today we're looking at a roof we recently completed here in southeast Grand Rapids. As you'll see here with the flat roof, you'll see we have a 60 mil flat roofing, rubberized roofing, as well as a 50-year lifetime shingle that you'll see here. And what the customer has chosen is a Landmark, CertainTeed Landmark shingle. It's Georgetown gray in color. It's a beautiful look. I think it looks great on this home. Follow me, let's take a look at the roof. So as we look at this here, the original roof had 3 layers. We did a full tear off of the roof. We also redecked the roof, including putting 6-foot ice and water shield, synthetic underlayments, new drip edge, ridge vent system, as well as an edge vent. As we come around the front of the house, what you'll notice up here at the peak is the edge vent system on the lower portion of that roof. Knowing that they didn't have room for much soffit ventilation, it was important to include an edge vent so we can allow that air to flow from the bottom all the way up through the peak of that roof, giving you the best ventilation, allowing that longevity of that shingle to last the lifetime. As we look here in the front, you'll notice there's a chimney. What we've done here is reflash both the counter and step flashing on the chimney, really sealing that up so you won't have to worry about leaking in the future. Many homeowners that we meet with mention that their home is the forever home. That being said, it is important to have a great warranty. As we look at the CertainTeed Shingle Master Warranty, it is a 50-year non-prorated warranty with a 10-year streak fighter, algae resistance, as well as a 130 mile an hour wind warranty. We also pair that with our 5-year craftsmanship guarantee so homeowners can feel comfort in what they're getting. This has been Brett with Montell Construction. Thank you for joining us on this week's episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes.